This is a message for my Palestinian and Israeli brothers and sisters. I come from the tribe of Asher, and I'm one of you, and I love you. I love you so much. And for a very long time now, our peoples have been pitted against each other by the US Zionist warring regime. They've used our scriptures against us and they've divided us. But we were always, and we are all, the daughters and sons of Abraham. Please, can we look at each other and see ourselves in one another? Please, can we not let our peoples be manipulated by an empire that is hungry for death and hungry for war and manipulates us? On both sides, this empire funds and controls to create a story of opposition, to keep us at each other's throats. But we are always safe in the hands of the true Father and our Mother. And the great Creator is opening into illumination, opening our consciousness into expansion. We won't be living in this polarized, warring world anymore. And it's up to you. It's up to you. It's up to you to embody that, to hold each other, and to refuse to put a bullet in each other. Refuse to fight each other. Israelis, please give our Palestinian sisters and brothers their rights back, their equality back. Fully. They deserve that. Palestinians, forgive the Israelis for not understanding what you've been through. You have to come together right now. You cannot fight each other. You have to come together. And you have to refuse to hurt each other. Get out all these people who are keeping you in opposition. We are all the daughters and sons of Abraham. And I love you. I love you. I love you. Salam. Shalom. Salam, shalom. I love you. I love you. And we're gonna be okay. This is just a big test. It's a week, a time of transition. And it's happening through your bodies. And I'm holding my heart for you. Every one of us on this earth is holding it for you. And anybody out there, if you are supporting war on any side of the line, you are not for the Israelis and Palestinians, you are against them. If you want to help our peoples, you support unity, equality. That's what you support. Peace. That's who my peoples are. So I'm begging you, every one of us, hold the light, hold the peace, hold the unity. I know it's been hard, and I know there's been a lot of pain on both sides. And I kiss your pain. I kiss your pain, and I take it if I could. I do. I take it if I could. Please. But please let us not retaliate from pain. Please let us see the larger picture and who manipulates us. And peace will return in the Holy Land once again. I love you. I love you.